Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to go over the new projects feature in the Claude desktop app. This has always been around on the Claude web URL claude.ai, but now it is available on the desktop app. The way to get to it is on this projects sidebar in the left here, and you just have to click new project, and you can start from scratch. You can import it from your chat to Cowork, or you could use an existing folder. The difference between Cowork and the chat is that Cowork, you can work on things on your laptop. So it's basically projects for Cowork. And you can also use an existing folder. So if you're working on, say, my community Makers Lounge, I can create a project here for Makers Lounge, and you can connect files from your computer to connect here. And I'm just going to tell it, help me conduct tasks for my community in this project. Makers Lounge is my community. And so what you can do now is, now that you have your Makers Lounge folder, you have all of these subfolders that you can work through much more easily, rather than what you had to do earlier, whereas you had to actually go to your Finder and drag and drop things into the context. It's now just all available here. Another really cool thing about the projects on Claude desktop is that you can schedule prompts within the project itself. So if I wanted to do something like, or actually if you just go here and say, create me a recurring scheduled task within this project to give me an update on all of my information in my project and suggest any steps for the day for me. And what Claude will do is it can actually create a scheduled task that it is going to run within this project itself. Before that, you just had your scheduled prompts for all projects, but now there's scheduled prompts for a specific project, which is really cool. So that's going to be running. You can go back to your project here, and while that's running, another thing is instructions. You can see here, help me conduct tasks for the community, but you can also add things like, I am based out of Toronto, Canada. Base your research off of this fact. Things like that, just to further personalize this project to you. Another thing here is the memory. So you can ask Claude to remember something. So you could say something, hey Claude, please remember that I founded this community in July of 2025. And what it will do is it will save that to memory. And so you never have to tell Claude that again. It will just get saved to the memory file. And if you click here, you can see there's also folder instructions. So it's now creating that memory. And if I go back to memory here, you could see that there's this user community founder memory. And you also have the memory index, which has all of your memories within the memory. And so as you can see, Claude is creating this whole index of memories for the project, and it's super powerful. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you at the next one.